Hey guys, next small padlock that I don't have the key to is my first Corbin from Boy. This small padlock has been giving me some headaches because of this weird paracentric keyway. Come on camera, please focus. And quite honestly, as I said, it is my first Corbin, so I do have some trouble picking it. Let's see if we will be able to do that on camera in some decent amount of time. So on top of the keyway, I do believe it's a 4-pin lock, at least from what I can count. But thanks to this paracentric keyway, it's not an easy pick. So I can hear the springs inside, they're moving. Okay, I guess I've overset something because nobody is doing anything. Let's reset and try once again. As I said, for a small padlock it puts up a lot of fight. Number 2, I believe you are the one to be picked next, no? Okay, we got a full set, okay. Strange, because the first time I picked it, I did not feel any security pins. Of course, I might be wrong. No, yeah, there is a security pin there. Okay. Okay, we are on to the full set once again. I believe I dropped something. A bit more and open. Whew. Finally managed to open it. My wife is applauding me. So this little bugger is actually putting up quite a lot of fight, and I'm really happy that I've managed to open it. So there we go, my first Corbin. Hopefully it's not my last. Okay guys, thanks for watching, stay safe and keep it legal guys. Cheers.